They're watching you right now, and they've already decided. Not based on what you said, based on what you didn't say. Silence holds more power than words ever will, but most people don't know how to use it. Here's what psychologists discovered about respect. It's not earned through talking. It's earned through presence. Your body speaks before your mouth does. When you enter a room, people read you in 3 seconds. Your posture tells them if you're confident or afraid. Your eye contact tells them if you're trustworthy or hiding something. Your stillness tells them if you're in control. Nervous people fill silence with words. Respected people let silence breathe. They pause before they respond. They hold eye contact without flinching. They move slowly and deliberately. This triggers something deep in the human brain. We respect what we can't easily read. When you're calm, others become uncertain. Uncertainty creates respect. Here's the hidden motive most people miss. Talking too much is a defense mechanism. You're trying to prove your worth. You're seeking approval. You're filling the void because silence makes you uncomfortable. But silence makes others uncomfortable too. And discomfort creates attention. Attention creates respect. Psychologists call this the scarcity principle. When you speak less, your words become valuable. People lean in. They listen harder. They remember what you say. But there's a darker side to this. Respect isn't always about being good. It's about being perceived as significant. Serial manipulators use silence as a weapon. They withhold reactions to create power imbalances. They stay calm while others panic. This is why silence must come from genuine confidence, not from playing mind games. Real respect is built on 3 silent pillars. 1. Self-control. You don't react to every comment or insult. You choose your battles. 2. Presence. You're fully there, not distracted or anxious. People feel seen when they're with you. 3. Boundaries. You don't explain yourself to everyone. You don't seek permission for your choices. You exist on your own terms. This is what most people fear. Being misunderstood. Being judged in silence. So they talk and talk and talk. But the ones who earn deep respect? They're comfortable being misunderstood. They know silence filters out the wrong people and attracts the right ones. Here's the psychological reveal. Respect isn't given to those who demand it. It's given to those who don't need it. When you stop seeking approval, others sense it. They feel your detachment from their opinion. And paradoxically, this makes them value you more. Because humans want what doesn't need them. So the next time you walk into a room, try this. Don't announce yourself. Don't fill the air with small talk. Just be there. Calm, still, present. Let your silence do the talking. Watch how people respond. They'll lean in closer. They'll ask you questions. They'll wonder what you're thinking. And that wondering? That's respect forming in real time. The haunting truth is this. Most people spend their whole lives trying to be heard. But the ones who are truly respected, they've mastered the art of being quiet. Because in a world full of noise, silence is the loudest statement you can make.